please join us in the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
I can tell you that the most powerful lessons for students are when they connect to something real and tangible. An event like this that connects the concept of veterans to real people, young and old, who have served, makes a lasting memory for our students.
Every year on November 11th, Americans pay tribute to veterans from every branch of the armed forces. This holiday, originally called Armistice Day, commemorates the end of the fighting in World War I.
Land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island.
So who are veterans? Veterans are people who have served in the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, also Space Force. So they are the heroes who have dedicated their lives to keep us safe, protect our freedoms. Some of them may be your family members, neighbors, or someone sitting next to you.
Did you have any friends in the military?
That is a great question. I'll say this. You have so many friends in the military. I would say that the friendships in the military, that's what kind of helps move you along when you're training, when you're deployed.
Off we go into the wild blue yonder, climbing high. Proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won, and the army goes rolling along. Birds away, my boys.
Let's stand and give a hand to all our servicemen and women.